Hey, Elite Travelers! Welcome back to Elite Travel Tips, where our goal is to help you plan the most enjoyable vacation on a reasonable budget. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cities in the world, Paris, France. Now, what if I told you that you can experience the charm, elegance, and culture of Paris without breaking the bank? Whether you're traveling with kids, planning a romantic getaway, or looking to mix in some educational fun, I've got you covered. Ready to learn how to travel to Paris on a family-friendly budget? Let's go. First things first, how do you get to Paris without spending a fortune? Well, it all comes down to timing and flexibility. If you're flying from the United States, check for flights during the shoulder seasons. That's spring and early fall. Airlines like Norwegian, Level, or even major carriers with deals can offer fares as low as $300 to $400 per person round trip. Remember, booking in advance or using miles can save you even more. And don't forget, if you're already in Europe, trains like the TGV are both budget-friendly and fun for the whole family. Now let's talk accommodation. Paris offers everything from luxury hotels to Airbnb apartments. But if you're traveling with a family, I highly recommend looking into apartment rentals. Sites like Airbnb or Vrbo have great family-sized options in safe central neighborhoods like the Marais or Montmartre. You'll have the bonus of a kitchen, which is perfect for saving money by preparing some meals at home. If you'd rather stay in a hotel, look into family-friendly budget chains like Ibis or Novotel, which often offer kids stay-free deals. Trust me, staying just outside the main tourist areas can save you a ton. All right, so now you're settled in Paris. What do? The great news is, Paris offers a ton of budget-friendly, family-friendly activities. Start with the Eiffel Tower. You can skip the expensive elevator ride and climb the stairs instead. It's cheaper and a fun challenge for kids. Plus, the views are incredible. Next, explore the Jardin de Luxembourg, where kids can sail little boats on the pond, ride ponies, and run around in the playgrounds while the parents enjoy the gardens. Another must-see is the Louvre, but here's a pro-tip: entry is free for kids under 18, and there's even free admission for adults on the first Saturday of the month after 6 p.m. A guided treasure hunt tour of the museum can make the experience interactive and educational for everyone. Now, let's talk food, because let's be honest, you can't come to Paris without indulging in some incredible cuisine. But don't worry, you don't have to spend a fortune. For breakfast, pick up some fresh croissants and pain au chocolat from local bakeries, boulangeries, that are often just a few euros each. For lunch, find a cozy bistro or grab crepes from street vendors. They're cheap, filling, and absolutely delicious. For dinner, head to a family-friendly restaurant like Le Relais de l'Entrecôte, where the main course is steak frites, always a hit with kids and parents alike. Or go for a picnic in the park. Stop by a local market, grab some cheese, bread, and fruit, and dine al fresco in places like Parc Monceau or near the Seine River. Paris is also a treasure trove of educational experiences. Take the kids to the Musée d'Orsay, a stunning museum housed in a former train station. It's free for kids under 18, and you'll get to explore some of the most famous works of art, like Monet and Van Gogh. Or visit the Cité des Sciences et de l'Industrie, Europe's largest science museum, where kids can get hands-on with interactive exhibits. For a deeper dive into history, the Notre Dame Cathedral still offers educational tours of its restoration process after the 2019 fire, which is both fascinating and inspiring. Now, for all you parents out there, Paris is the city of romance, so why not enjoy a special night out? After a full day with the kids, find a babysitter through trusted services like Babysitter and head out to the Seine River for a bateau mouche dinner cruise. You'll enjoy a gourmet meal, wine, and stunning views of Paris's illuminated landmarks, like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame. If you're looking for something a little more low-key, cozy up in one of Paris's many intimate wine bars like Le Comptoir du Relais in Saint-Germain. Sip on some French wine, share a cheese board, and soak in the romance of the city. See? Paris doesn't have to be expensive to be magical. With a little planning, you can enjoy an unforgettable, budget-friendly trip with your family. So what are you waiting for? Start packing those bags and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more elite travel tips, and let us know in the comments where you'd like us to take you next. Au revoir, travelers.